Hello, welcome to the Marginaut Show, the cybersecurity show. Did you know that there is a secret feature just exposed just recently in Android that is secretly scanning all of your photos? So I'm going to talk about what this feature is and how you can protect yourself from it scanning your private photos. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So Google has implemented a new feature called SafetyCore on Android devices, which has the capability to scan photos on users' devices. So this feature was silently installed on Android devices running Android 9 and later since October 2024. So here are the key points of the SafetyCore. Now the purpose is, it is designed to provide on-device infrastructure for securely and privately performing classification to help users detect unwanted content, including sensitive or explicit images. The functionality, it uses machine learning models to classify content as spam, scans, right, or scams or malware or potentially sensitive material, all done locally on the device. Now, in regards to installation, the app was installed without explicit user consent or notification, leading to concerns about privacy and transparency. So this visibility aspect, SafetyCore doesn't have an icon and doesn't show up in the usual list of running applications. It can only be found in the settings, then apps, and show system processes. The storage, the app occupies approximately 2 gigabytes of storage space. Now the privacy concerns and Google's response, many users have expressed concern about the secretive nature of SafetyCore's installation and its capabilities. So Google has responded by stating, all processing is done on the device and no data is sent to external servers. Users have control over SafetyCore and not only classify specific content when an app requests it through an optionally enabled feature. The feature is part of Google's effort to enhance user protection and privacy. So before I proceed on how to disable this feature, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you are educated and entertained and you are informed on this new feature, hit that subscribe button and that like button right now. Thank you. So here's how to disable the SafetyCore feature on Android devices. So open your device's settings app. Next, go to apps or apps and notifications. Next, select See All Apps and then tap on the 3-dot menu in the top right corner. Choose Show System Apps. Next, scroll through the list or search for SafetyCore. Tap on Android System SafetyCore. Select Uninstall if available. If the uninstall option is grayed out, you may only be able to disable it. So if you can't find SafetyCore in the app list, you can try the following alternative method. Peter, please put this link on the screen so the viewers can see this. So you're going to want to visit this link on your Android device. So what happened is it should open Google Play Store showing if SafetyCore is installed on your system. So if installed, you can uninstall or disable it from there. Okay, so there are multiple examples recently of Android spying on you and Android users in 2025, right? So you have DoorDash, which is an example, right? This popular food delivery app sends user data to 9 separate third-party trackers, including personal information like name, email address, physical address, and phone details. There's the Ring doorbell app. The Android version of this app contains third-party trackers that disseminate users' names, IP addresses, and device identifiers to companies like Facebook and Apps Flyer. We have Candy Crush Saga. This game harvests extensive user data, including in-game behavior, purchase histories, player interactions, and location data, which it sells to third-party advertisers. You have Facebook, right? Oh yeah, Facebook. So this app collects vast amounts of personal information, including gender, age, religious beliefs, location, check-ins, time spent on the platform, and content engagement. You have WhatsApp. We're gonna close with that. While primarily a messaging app, it can be exploited for stalking purposes and provides features that can be misused if someone gains access to your phone's password. that is what I have for you today. Hit that subscribe button and the like button if you were educated, entertained, and you learned something from this video. Hit that subscribe button and the like button. See you on the next video.